Hey guys, I'm Bonnie here with Aquaphor Pool Design, and we've got another pool vac to test today. So we have been using a Dolphin Premier, and that's really great at getting out the big stuff, but we wanted to try something that is a little more meticulous with the tiny stuff that just kind of tends to collect on the bottom of the pool. We've got the AIPER Pilot H2 here. So unboxing was really easy. Putting it together took less time than unboxing. I think there was 3 steps to put it together. It only comes with a short handle. In the picture, it shows somebody with a long handle cleaning the deep end of the pool, but it doesn't come with that. If you have got a pole or a brush, you can attach it to this one, so not a big deal. We are going to give this a try, and I will let you know our thoughts. We've gone a couple passes over the sand right here, so we're going to take it out of the pool and we're going to see how it did. First thoughts here. If you intend to vacuum anything other than just the steps, go ahead and make sure that you've got that long pole that we just talked about. The pole that it comes with is just too short to stand on the edge of the pool and vacuum anything inside the pool. At first glance, it does appear that it got a lot of the little particles. I'm going to go ahead and connect the long pole now, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. Just got done vacuuming the pool. It is 10 a.m. here in Central Florida. It is already 90 degrees. It is the 4th of July though, so what are we going to expect? Just wanted to share some of my thoughts. It did a great job getting the sand out. It did leave some of the finer particles in the pool, just kind of push those around. I guess it's kind of normal for a vacuum like this. If you're going to purchase this vacuum, I would purchase a long pole at the same time. Otherwise, you've literally got to be in the pool. It's not incredibly good at getting corners or nooks and crannies of the steps. It's fine at getting leaves up. Sometimes if the leaves are a little bit bigger, it will kind of move the leaves rather than suck them up. Again, kind of normal for a vacuum of this type. It is a little bit hard to tell if it is on or off under the water. You cannot see the green lights. So I just had to pick it up every now and again and just make sure that it was actually still operating. It does advise that you let it dry completely before recharging. We've got it drying and we will charge it up and we'll give it another test. But I will show you guys what it got after vacuuming the pool just one time. We have opened up the vacuum here. Jojo is helping us. Say hi, Joe. I just wanted to show you guys what I got after one pass through the pool. I'm gonna kind of remove some of these leaves. You can definitely see at the bottom down there a lot of the fine particles and sand. I'm not unhappy with its performance. I wouldn't say that it was everything that I hoped and dreamed, but I would probably give it 7 out of 10 overall.